Now that I've shown you how to apply the ceramic coat on a polyurethane finish, we're going to now apply it to an oil finish. So standard oil finish using our rustic lumber oil as well as our ceramic coat. All right guys, so same rules apply. Right now we're doing, this is a standard normal oil finish using our rustic lumber oil, and then we're going to apply it, and the wood here, if you're wondering, is Tigerwood. Heavy, it's just know it's heavy. So we're gonna do the same thing we did in the last video, or on the first table, right? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So we're going to apply in a perimeter. We're gonna do about 1/4 of the table. And then we're just gonna go ahead and apply nice and even. So we're gonna follow the grain. And now we're gonna go against the grain. Make sure we get all of this in a nice even coat so there's no wet spots. Good. And now we're gonna go one more time, following the grain, making sure that we go just a hair further, spread any more. Good, and then we're gonna go last time. Okay, so now that I've done that, again, we're just gonna repeat the same process for the entire table.